Scientific inventions have driven human progress, shaping our understanding of the universe and advancing technology. Join us as we explore the most important scientific inventions in history and their profound impact on humanity. Imagine a time when the universe was a mystery, a vast expanse of unknowns, visible only through the naked eye with no tools to aid our vision. In 1608, Hans Lippershey invented the telescope, sparking a wave of curiosity and wonder. Galileo Galilei refined this invention, using it to reveal the moon's craters and Jupiter's moons, which were previously unseen. These groundbreaking observations challenged long-held beliefs and revolutionized the field of astronomy, changing our understanding of the cosmos. Today, we continue to build larger and more powerful telescopes, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and exploring the farthest reaches of the universe. The invention of the telescope opened a new era of discovery, forever changing our view of the universe and our place within it. From the early days of stargazing to the modern era of space exploration, the telescope remains a vital tool in our quest to unmask the cosmos. The microscope revealed a hidden universe within our world, a universe teeming with life and complexity that was previously invisible to the naked eye. In the late 16th century, Zacharias Janssen, a Dutch spectacle maker, created the first compound microscope. This invention marked the beginning of a new era in scientific discovery, allowing humans to peer into the minute details of the natural world. Antony van Leeuwenhoek, another pioneering Dutch scientist, took this technology further. With his meticulously crafted single-lens microscopes, he unveiled an astonishing array of microorganisms, including bacteria and protozoa, which he referred to as animalcules. His groundbreaking discoveries laid the foundation for the fields of microbiology and cell biology, fundamentally changing our understanding of life at the microscopic level. Over the centuries, the microscope became an indispensable tool in medicine, enabling scientists and doctors to identify the causes of diseases, study the intricate structures of cells, and develop new treatments and cures. It opened a window into the building blocks of life, transforming our understanding of biology and leading to countless scientific advancements. The microscope continues to be a vital instrument in research, education, and medical diagnostics, revealing the unseen and expanding the boundaries of human knowledge. The steam engine revolutionized power in the early 18th century, marking a pivotal moment in human history. Thomas Newcomen's 1712 steam engine was a groundbreaking invention that pumped water from mines, solving a critical problem of the time. James Watt's improvements in the late 18th century made the steam engine far more efficient and versatile, allowing it to be used in a variety of industries. The steam engine powered the Industrial Revolution, transforming manufacturing and transportation. Factories could now operate on a much larger scale, and steam-powered trains revolutionized travel. It sparked new scientific fields like thermodynamics, leading to a deeper understanding of energy and its applications. The steam engine symbolized human ingenuity, changing our relationship with machines and setting the stage for future technological advancements. It was a true marvel of engineering that reshaped society. Infectious diseases ravaged humanity until Edward Jenner's discovery in the late 18th century. Jenner's cowpox experiment led to the first vaccination, eradicating smallpox. His work founded immunology, saving countless lives. Vaccines now protect against many diseases, transforming public health. Jenner's legacy endures in the ongoing fight against infectious diseases. Electricity transformed the world, banishing darkness. Benjamin Franklin, Alessandro Volta, Michael Faraday, and Nikola Tesla made key discoveries. The electric light bulb extended the day and transformed cities. Electricity powers our modern world from homes to industries. It revolutionized communication, transportation, and daily life. The harnessing of electricity marked a new era of technological advancement. Charles Darwin's 1859 theory of evolution by natural selection revolutionized biology. Darwin proposed that species change over time through natural selection. His theory challenged creationism and sparked debate. Evolution became the unifying principle of biology, explaining life's diversity. It profoundly impacted genetics, ecology, and our understanding of the natural world. In 1903, the Wright brothers achieved controlled flight. Their airplane revolutionized travel and warfare. It connected continents and altered human events. The invention sparked aerospace engineering advancements. The airplane symbolized human ingenuity and the desire to push boundaries. The modern computer evolved from centuries of innovation. Alan Turing's work laid the foundation for computer science. Computers evolved rapidly, becoming smaller and more powerful. They revolutionized fields from science to entertainment. Computers transformed how we live, work, and interact with the world. In 1953, Watson and Crick discovered the DNA Double Helix. Their model explained how DNA stores and transmits genetic information. The discovery revolutionized biology, medicine, and biotechnology. It led to genetic engineering, gene therapy, and forensic science. Understanding DNA structure allowed new treatments for genetic diseases. The double helix unlocked the secrets of life, transforming science. The internet connected the world, transforming communication. Developed from ARPANET, it evolved into a global network. The World Wide Web made information accessible to all. The internet revolutionized research, collaboration, and knowledge sharing. It democratized information and fostered global communication. The internet accelerated discovery and changed society. These inventions illuminated the world, pushing the boundaries of knowledge. They transformed our understanding and shaped the world we live in. Which invention had the most impact on science? Let us know in the comments and follow Silent Mindwave for more content.